International No Diet Day, a dedicated day to promote body acceptance and rejecting the harmful diet culture that plagues the society. It's a day to embrace our bodies in all their shapes and sizes, to recognize that true health comes from self-love and acceptance and not from conforming to unrealistic beauty standards. For far too long, we have been bombarded with messages that tells us that we are not good enough until and unless we fit into a certain mold. We have been conditioned to believe that our worth is tied to the number on a scale or the size of our clothing. But today, we say enough is enough. International No Diet Day is a reminder that our bodies are not something to be ashamed of or constantly scrutinize. They're incredible vessels that allow us to experience life in all its beauty and wonder. Whether we are tall or short, curvy or slim, we are still worthy of love. Instead of focusing on restrictive diets and punishing exercise regimes, let's focus on nourishing our body with food that makes us feel good. Let's celebrate the diversity of our bodies and the strength they possess. So today, I urge you to join me in rejecting the diet culture and embracing body positivity. Let's stand in solidarity with all those who have been made to feel inadequate just because of their body sizes. Let's spread the message that every body is beautiful and deserving of love, respect and acceptance. Thank you. Have a great day.